Hello friends and welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's have some fun learning together how to draw animals. You need to get paper, ruler, something round that we can trace, pencils or markers. When we finish, I have a surprise for you. Parents can help the kids to divide the paper into 9 boxes. Make sure your circle is small enough to fit the box. Let's trace it using red. Let's make another circle with orange. Next color is yellow. Next, get purple marker. This is pink. Can you trace your circle using blue? Let's do a green circle. Let's make orange again. Last color is brown. First it's my turn, and then it's yours. What am I drawing? It's a ladybug. My turn again. It looks like a cat. Watch me draw something that's yellow. First my turn, then yours. It's a bee. Can you guess what animal am I drawing now? You're right, it's a giraffe. My turn again. This looks like a pig. Let's draw something else. Can you guess what I'm drawing? It's a fish. Let's draw another animal together. Can you guess what it is? Good job! It's a turtle. Watch me and then copy. What am I drawing? It's a chicken. And our last animal is... It's a bunny. Now it's time to color it. Choose the same color as the color of your circle. Red, ladybug. Let's color it red. Let's make the cat orange. The bumblebee is yellow. Can you get purple for the giraffe? make your pig pink. The fish is blue. Turtle is green. Let's make the chicken orange. Can you color your bunny brown? Good job, guys! Now it's time to see the surprise. It looks like a soldier. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!